Hello everyone, how are you? I'm good. I hope you are also good there. Today we are going to learn about preverbs and their uses on this video. आज हामी यस भिडियोमा preverbs र तिनीहरूको प्रयोगको बारेमा सिक्न गइरहेका छौं। र preverbहरू यस प्रकार रहेका छन्। Preverbs is, am, are, was, were. Present preverbs is, am, are. Past preverbs was and were. We are going to make simple sentences by using these preverbs. यी preverbहरूको प्रयोग गरेर हामी अंग्रेजीका विभिन्न सामान्य वाक्यहरू बनाउने छौं। Present preverbs and their sentence structures. He, she, it plus is plus object. I plus am plus object. You, they plus are plus object. Now we are going to make some sentences by using these structures. आउनुस् हामी यी सूत्रहरू प्रयोग गरेर केही सेन्टेन्स Let's see some sentences of preverb. He is a student. She is at her home. It is an aunt. I am fine. You are a good boy. You are my friend. They are players. They are my relatives. You can also make similar sentences by using those structures which you have read before. भर्खरै तपाईले हेर्नु भएको preverbका फर्मुलाहरूलाई हेरेर अब तपाईहरुले पनि यस्तै प्रकारका धेरै सेन्टेन्सहरू बनाएर अभ्यास गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ। आउनुस् हामी past preverbका केही स्ट्रक्चरहरू हेर्ने छौं। Let's see past preverb sentence structures. I, he, she, it plus was plus object. We, you, they plus were plus object. Now we are going to make some sentences by using these structures. भर्खरै हामीले past preverbs र तिनीहरूको स्ट्रक्चर्सको बारेमा हामीले हेर्यौं। अब हामी यी स्ट्रक्चर्सहरूलाई प्रयोग गरेर हामी सेन्टेन्सहरू बनाउने छौं। past preverbका सेन्टेन्सहरू यस प्रकार रहेका छन्। Let's see some sentences of past preverb. I was at my office yesterday. She was sick. He was happy. It was nice watch. You were young. We were at the party. They were so clever. I hope you have understood how to make sentences of past preverbs. म आशा गर्दछु तपाईहरुले past preverb को प्रयोग गरेर कसरी सेन्टेन्स बनाउने भन्ने कुरा तपाईले सिकिसक्नु भएको छ। अब तपाईहरुले अझ बढी सिक्नको लागि तपाईले अझ धेरै अभ्यास गर्नु होला। पक्कै पनि तपाईहरुले आजको यस भिडियोबाट कसरी preverbहरु, प्रेजेन्ट preverb र past preverbका सेन्टेन्सहरु बनाउने भन्ने कुरा सिक्नुभयो। तपाईहरुले जति धेरै अभ्यास गर्नुभयो त्यति धेरै तपाईहरुले राम्रो गर्न सक्नुहुनेछ। त्यो भएर दिएको फर्मुलालाई प्रयोग गरेर तपाईहरुले धेरै भन्दा धेरै सेन्टेन्सहरु बनाएर अभ्यास गर्नु होला। Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video and want to watch more similar videos of grammar lessons, please like, comment and subscribe this channel. यो भिडियोलाई अन्तिमसम्म हेर्नुभएको लागि धन्यवाद। यस्तै अरु भिडियोहरु हेर्न चाहनुहुन्छ भने यस च्यानललाई लाइक, कमेन्ट र सब्स्क्राइब गर्नुहोला।